Hello friends, if you like to film videos, you might need to use a tripod in some cases, like I am doing now. Or when you zoom into a faraway subject and you don't want the image to bounce about. However, if you need to pan the camera from one side to the other or up and down so you can follow a moving subject, you'll need a special tripod. A cheap tripod doesn't let you make a smooth and continuous panning. It will suffer bumps here and there, polluting the audio with noises. This happens because the tripod head turns thanks to two plastic discs, and the friction between the discs produces noise and bumps. The professional solution for this issue is a tripod with a fluid head, something that can be quite expensive. The head itself can cost about double that of a cheap tripod. If we can't cope with that expense, there are some things we can do to solve this issue. Some solutions are better than others. In this video, I'm going to review those options. First, we can put WD-40 or another lubricant on the moving parts of both the horizontal and vertical mechanisms and move the parts repeatedly so the lubricant seeps in. That helps a bit, but won't remove all noises and bumps. Another option is to use a mini tripod or a handheld stabilizer, which allows us much smoother movements than if we held the camera with our hands, especially if we have to move around with the camera. Another option is using a monopod, which is very stable when held on the ground and lets us turn to one side and to the other and move up and down quite smoothly. Finally, there is something we can do with our cheap tripod to remove the noise and bumps when filming, at least with tripods similar to this one, the Soligor WT-3220. The horizontal mechanism includes these two plastic discs held together with some sort of rotating fastener that doesn't let us place something slippery in between. However, we can turn the head 180 degrees around the bolt that holds the head onto the legs in a much smoother and continuous way than using the horizontal mechanism, without bumps or noise. The only issue is some wobbling happens as we unscrew the head, but if we turn the head carefully, it will pass unnoticed. Regretfully, we still have some noise with the vertical movements, which in my opinion have no solution. Except by lubricating with grease or WD-40 in the cylinders of the vertical mechanism. What do you think? I believe it can be useful while we still can't buy a fluid head. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.